You're probably throwing away money every single month on app subscriptions. Maybe it's that $10 a month charge for a photo editor or $15 for a transcription service. It adds up, and it adds up fast. But what if I told you that your photo editor, your writing assistant, and even your video editor could all be replaced by free AI apps on your iPhone? I'm going to show you how to save a whole lot of money by using the AI that's already available to you. The problem with a lot of free apps is that they're clunky, ad-filled knockoffs. That's not what we're talking about here. We're talking about incredibly powerful tools backed by companies like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI that have free versions so good, you'll wonder why you ever paid in the first place. We're going to cover 7 types of apps you might be overpaying for and the free AI replacements you can download today. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the AI assistant. You might be paying for separate apps for brainstorming, drafting emails, or getting quick recipe ideas. The problem is you're paying for a dozen different single-task apps when one can do it all. And that's where universal AI assistants like ChatGPT and Google Gemini come in. Go ahead and download them. The free versions of both are incredibly capable. These aren't just simple chatbots, they're more like creative partners. Think about it this way. Instead of fumbling with a separate recipe app, you can just ask Gemini, I have chicken, broccoli, and lemons. Give me a quick 30-minute recipe. Instead of paying for a brainstorming app, you can use ChatGPT's voice mode to just talk. Say, I'm trying to come up with a name for my new houseplant business. Let's brainstorm. And it will have a real conversation with you. You can even take a picture of a weird-looking vegetable at the grocery store and ask Gemini what it is and how to cook it. The free version of ChatGPT now gives you access to the powerful GPT-4o model, though keep in mind you might have some usage limits before it defaults to an older model. Gemini offers similar power with deep integration into the Google ecosystem. For the vast majority of daily tasks, these free assistants make paying for single-purpose idea apps feel completely unnecessary. Next, let's talk about research. The problem with using a general chatbot for research is that they can sometimes hallucinate or make things up, which is a disaster if you need reliable facts. You might be tempted to pay for a premium research tool, but there's a better way. The solution is an app called Perplexity AI. Think of it as a hybrid between a search engine and an AI chatbot. Its main purpose is to answer your questions and then show you its work by providing citations for the claims it makes. The free version gives you a generous number of searches, which is more than enough for most people. So instead of getting a block of text you have to blindly trust, you can ask Perplexity, what are the long-term psychological effects of remote work? It won't just give you an answer, it will give you a summary based on recent studies and articles, with little numbers next to each statement. You can click those numbers and go directly to the source. This is a game changer for anyone who needs to find sourced information quickly. Are you paying for a service to polish your writing for important emails, your resume, or social media? The problem is that many of these tools come with a monthly fee for features you might not need. A much simpler solution for most people is the free version of Grammarly. While it has a premium plan for advanced features, the free Grammarly keyboard for iPhone is a powerhouse that covers all the essentials: grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Here's how it works. You install the Grammarly keyboard and it works everywhere you type, in your emails, messages, and social media apps, giving you an instant proofread. For most people, the free version is more than enough to make sure their writing is clear and correct. It's an essential tool that easily replaces paid basic writing assistants for free. Okay, quick pause. We're only 3 apps in, and we've already found free replacements for your brainstorming tools, your research databases, and your writing coach. If this is already helpful, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. It's free too, and I have a lot more to share to help you use tech smarter. Now, let's get back to it. If you've ever been in a meeting or lecture trying to type notes while also trying to listen, you know the struggle. This has led to a whole industry of expensive transcription services. The solution here is an app called Otter.ai. It's pretty magical. It listens to a conversation and transcribes it in real time on your iPhone. The free plan is surprisingly generous. It gives you a number of transcription minutes every month with a cap on the length of each recording. For most personal use cases, this is plenty. You can record a 30-minute team meeting or a lecture, and Otter.ai will give you a full text transcript. Some features, like identifying different speakers and providing automatic summaries, are sometimes included in the free tier, but they work really well when they are. You can focus on the conversation, knowing everything is being captured for you. If you sell anything online, you know that your product photos are everything. You might be paying for a powerful editor or a subscription app just to remove the background from your images. A fantastic free solution is PhotoRoom. This app uses AI to do one thing incredibly well. It removes the background from your photos almost instantly. Imagine you're selling sneakers online. You can snap a picture with your iPhone, open it in PhotoRoom, and with one tap, the AI cuts the sneakers out from your messy background. Then it offers you a range of new, clean backgrounds, or can even generate a custom studio shot. While the free version may add a small watermark for anyone running a side hustle from their phone, PhotoRoom replaces the core function of many expensive photo editing apps. Video editing apps that offer powerful AI features like automatic captions usually hide them behind a big subscription fee. The free solution is CapCut. It's made by ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, so it's packed with AI features designed to help you make videos that get noticed. The standout free feature is auto captions. You record a video, and with one tap, CapCut's AI generates perfectly synced, animated captions. This alone saves a ton of time. The app also has AI-powered background removal for video and text-to-speech. While there is a pro version for more advanced tools, the free tier gives you most of the tools you need to create high-quality social media videos without spending any money. Finally, let's talk about all those little specialty apps you might pay for, an app to learn a language or one to identify plants. The solution here isn't one single app, but a change in mindset. Before you pay for a subscription, always check for a free AI alternative first. For example, instead of a pricey language course, Duolingo's free version uses adaptive algorithms to personalize your lessons. Got a plant that's looking sad? An app like PlantIn can often identify the plant from a photo for free and give you care tips, though many of its best features are behind a paywall. Developers are constantly launching new, free tools that solve these kinds of specific problems. So, let's recap. We've replaced your single-purpose apps with an all-in-one assistant like ChatGPT or Gemini. We found a trustworthy research partner in Perplexity. We've improved your writing with Grammarly, automated note-taking with Otter.ai, and built a photo and video studio with PhotoRoom and CapCut. And we did it all for free. The point isn't that paid software is useless. For professionals who need the absolute best features and unlimited usage, those subscriptions can be worth it. But for the vast majority of us, the free versions of these AI apps are now so powerful that you may not need to pay for those subscriptions anymore. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these apps are you going to download first? Or is there a free AI app that you can't live without that I missed? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video just saved you some money, do me a solid and hit that subscribe button. I'm always looking for ways to use tech smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.